In this sheet, we will understand some electrical quantities, and our target is to get their dimensional formulas. So we are starting with the first quantity, that is electric current. Now, current is a fundamental quantity because it is the part of that 7 quantities which are described by SI system. So it is one of the 7 quantities. It's already fundamental. There is no need to break it further. We will just replace it by its standard symbol. So current's standard symbol is A1. So the dimensional formula of current, either we can write simply A1, A power 1, or we can write in the MLT sequence. So along with MLT, A will also appear, but MLT powers will be 0 and A power will be 1. So we can write directly as A1 or as M0 L0 T0 A1. So this is the dimensional formula of current. Next quantity is charge. Now we have to search any formula of charge in terms of current because current is fundamental. So charge formula is current into time, as we already know. For time we will write T, and for current we have to write its symbol A. A because ampere is the unit of current, that's why A is decided for current. Finally, the answer of dimensional formula we can write as M power 0 L power 0, T power 1 A power 1. Next quantity is potential. Potential's basic definition is work upon charge. This was covered in class 10th in circuit chapter. So potential is also known as voltage. So potential or voltage formula is work upon charge. Now we should know work formula. So that is M1 L2 T minus 2. So this is very usual formula. We should learn this formula by heart. Work formula is M1 L2 T minus 2. Charge formula just now we have derived as A1 T1 or TA. This is derived. Now let us arrange these quantities. M power 1 is appearing, L power 2, T power, there are 2 T's. So this T will shift in the numerator side with power minus 1. So finally the power will become minus 3 of time. So T power minus 3. And A is alone, it will be shifted in the numerator, it will become A power minus 1. So this is the answer for dimensional formula of voltage. So M1 L2 T minus 3 A minus 1. Okay, next is resistance. How to get resistance dimensional formula? We will take the help of Ohm's law. Ohm's law says resistance R equal to voltage upon current. Voltage formula we have just now derived, so we'll take it as it is. M1 L2 T minus 3 A minus 1. Current formula is A. Then M power 1 L power 2 T power minus 3. Till here it will remain same. Only A is appearing in numerator and denominator, so its power will change. How? Denominator A will shift to the numerator. So minus 1 will become minus 2 power. So this way here we have solved the quantities which are electrical quantities.